How does breathing rate increase during strenuous activity or exercise? So now this is a very interesting process, and it's actually something that I find very interesting, which people who, especially gym goers who go to the gym, they don't even know how it's happening. Like, when you're exercising, when you're in the gym, when you're training, your breathing rate increases. But why does it happen, and how does it happen? The science behind it is actually very interesting, and it's actually something that you're going to be quite surprised of. Like, how come I didn't think of that? Okay, because it's very common knowledge. Okay, so what happens is that when you are exercising or when you are working out in strenuous activity, your muscle cells or your muscles are respiring a lot. Okay, meaning they are taking in a lot of oxygen and increasing carbon dioxide. Now, carbon dioxide is a net product of respiration. So carbon dioxide will increase in muscle cells. Carbon dioxide will be diffused into the blood plasma. Blood plasma contains water, okay? If carbon dioxide diffuses into the blood plasma, which contains water, carbon dioxide plus water gives a very acidic solution, okay? And this is not good for your body, because you do not want acidity in your body, because low acid pH will denature enzymes, and enzymes will not be able to catalyze reactions in your body. So carbon dioxide, if it combines or fuses with the water in the plasma, it will form something very acidic, okay? How do we prevent this, or how does our body prevent this? Well, let's come to your brain, okay? In the brain, we have cells called chemoreceptors. They are present inside the medulla oblongata of your brain, okay? And these chemoreceptors are cells specialized to detect changes in pH and blood gas levels, okay? Now, when this high concentrated carbon dioxide blood will go and flow through your brain, the chemoreceptors in the medulla oblongata of your brain is going to detect that, yes, this blood that has just flown into me has low levels of pH. It's very acidic. So the brain will send nervous impulses to your respiratory system or to your intercostal muscles and diaphragm to control the inhalation and exhalation process, allowing more oxygen intake and more of this carbon dioxide to be excreted out of your body. And this is how your breathing rate increases, to allow more oxygen to be taken in and more carbon dioxide to be excreted outside during strenuous or exercise.